Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two credit cards going head to head, being the credit card provided by Bank of America as well as Capital One. So we'll be going over the key differences between the two, as well as the type of credit cards that they offer, the pros and cons, the fundamentals, and ultimately deciding at the end of the video which of the two options is the better. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So, starting off with the Bank of America's credit card offerings, known for its variety and rewards program, Bank of America provides a range of credit cards to suit different lifestyles and spending habits. So, I'd like to say that one of the standout features of Bank of America credit cards is that the Bank of America preferred rewards program that is fine tailored to offer bonus rewards rates for its eligible customers based on the Bank of America is a big game changer. And another thing is that the Bank of America credit cards often come with valuable perks such as cashback rewards, travel rewards, and introductory 0% APR. So these services pertain to purchases and balance transfers. Additionally, Bank of America credit cards may provide benefits like extended warranty protection, purchase security, and fraud protection, offering cardholders peace of mind when making purchases. Now, moving on to Capital One, on the other hand, here's what their page looks like. As you can see, they have the Platinum Mastercard, the Venture Rewards card, the Quicksilver One Rewards card. So that's cool and all. So now let's talk about their features. So Capital One, much like Bank of America, offers the pretty much the same services and is renowned for its straightforward rewards program and innovative features designed to simplify banking for its customers. So Capital One credit cards are known for their simplicity and flexibility. Many of their cards actually offer a straightforward cashback reward system with no rotating categories or complicated redemption processes. So the name of the game is simplicity, and that's where they excel in. Moreover, Capital One is a pioneer in the industry when it comes to digital banking. Capital One credit card holders can enjoy features such as personalized account alerts, virtual card numbers for online shopping, and mobile app integration for easy account management. So, Capital One credit cards also come with valuable perks such as travel insurance, extended warranty protection, and access to exclusive events and experiences through Capital One's partnerships. So, in summary, both of them are pretty good credit cards and offer a variety of options and unique features, benefits, and services. While I would say that Bank of America excels with the preferred rewards program and diverse reward offerings, while Capital One stands out for its ease of access and simplicity. So, which of the two is the better? I would have to give the edge to Capital One. So that's because they're very much a no BS kind of deal. So there are no vague terminologies or loopholes. They just I'd like to say what you see is what you get. So yeah, hopefully this video will help you guys stay informed, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So with that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.